Hi there, students. Entreaty. An entreaty is a noun. And you could even have a verb, to entreat. Okay, an entreaty is a request, but very polite and very serious. Yeah, you ask for something. It's a plea or an appeal or a petition. Yeah, so you are begging for something. You're supplicating. Please, I entreat you to do this. He put his hands together in a gesture of entreaty. Okay, so to entreaty, to be respectful and to beg for something that you really, really need. Okay, so an entreaty, a strong petition, the act of beseeching. I beseech you, I entreat you, please, please, would you do this? Okay, so yeah, an earnest request, an earnest petition. Okay, a prayer, please, please, an appeal, to supplicate, to entreat. Yeah, a solicitation. So he resisted all of my entreaties to support my campaign. He looked at me longingly in a gesture of entreaty. Or maybe the dog looked at me with a look of entreaty on its face. Okay, so to earnestly and humbly request something. The prince turned a deaf ear to all of his entreaties. Yeah, you can go on entreating me all you want, but you're not going to persuade me to do something. So an entreaty, it's an attempt to persuade someone to do something. She refused all of his entreaties to go out with her. His requests, his pleas, please would you do it? He tried everything, but none of his entreaties worked. She ignored all of his entreaties. Okay, so an entreaty, begging for something, to entreat. So notice, to entreat is a regular verb. He entreated her. He has entreated her on many different occasions. Now, as to formality, this is a formal word. I think I would probably give it 7.5 in formality. So use it in a semi-formal or formal writing, nothing more, not in an informal conversation. I beg you, yeah? I think would probably be the easiest verb to use informally. Yeah, his solicitations, that's a bit formal. He's begging. Yeah, he's begging for money. His entreaty for money fell on deaf ears. I like that phrase, to fall on deaf ears. Okay, and then as to origin, well, it comes from a Middle English word, entretraten, okay, which itself comes from Old French, entreter, which itself comes from prêter, to treat, okay, and it's with a similar root to the word a treaty. I guess that itself comes from tractare in Latin, to pull, yeah, to draw. Okay, so an entreaty, but remember this is a formal word, so you've got to find the right place to use it. So this is the bit where I entreat you to give the video a rating, yeah? You please listen to my entreaty for a rating. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Entreaty, to entreat.